So this is where we camped last night. I'm just going to move the car so we can get some stuff set up out of the sun. Nice little tucked away spot there. That's Bamaga Road out there where that caravan's just gone past, and it's actually where it intersects with the Old Telegraph Track. So we're just off the main road in this little tucked away section. Alrighty, let's fire it up and find some shade. Coffee time. As I mentioned a few videos back, I think it's starting to get too hot to have a hot coffee in the morning, but not really keen on going without coffee. So what I've been doing is just having a cold coffee basically. Oh, milk is running dangerously low. Actually, the whole fridge is running a bit low. So this is the new coffee routine. It is a lot less mucking around than the original. A bit of milk. Oh, we'll save a little bit for a mouthful later on. It's actually good just keeping the container in here because it spaces all the food out so everything doesn't rattle around too much. It's good to keep it kind of compact. Oh, about that much. It's a lot quicker than the old coffee ritual. Cocktail spec. It's actually foamed up that much that we've lost any space for shakeage. So I think that's as good as it's going to get. Grab the old spoon. Wouldn't be a morning coffee without the old switcheroo. Pointless, but I enjoy it.
There's some weird lizards over here.
Yeah, there's little lizards getting around. Quick little bit of video editing action this morning. We've got some low power, so we'll plug it in. There we go. Once we're plugged in, we just turn the inverter on, like that. And within a few seconds, there we go. We get the charge. Coffee complete. Quick clean. BadGaz, think quick. Good hands, Gaz, just testing you. Usually in the morning I make a couple of milkshakes. However, we're out of milk, so water's gonna have to do for the day. Plus I enjoy catching up with Brenda the blender each morning too, so we couldn't miss out on that. Certainly not off to the most appetizing looking start. Time for a bit of blending. Take a look at my blender. It's the only one I got. Ba-da-da-da. Oh, here we go, Brenda power. That looks a bit better. Catch you tomorrow, Brenda. That red dust finds its way in. The verdict. Tastes about as good as it looks. Zooper dooper time. That's the new spot for the scissors too. Well, not super new, but they used to be on the front, but they kept falling off, so that's where they live now. How's BadGaz? Just watching stuff she's downloaded on Netflix on the old iPad. Nice work, Gaz. And then we can charge while we're on the road.
Pretty good.
There we go.
How good's that?
Ahoy folks, and welcome to another episode of Road Trippin Australia. My name is Jake, aka Jake the Kent, and today myself and my trusty sidekick BadGaz are continuing our journey up the Cape York Peninsula. I'll give you a look at the map, I'll show you where we are, and I'll show you where I plan to go next. Alright, here's our little map book, and the exciting thing is we're finally on the page that actually has the tip on it, so we know we're getting closer. So we went to Fruitbat Falls last night and we stopped at a spot just before that. So currently we are at this intersection here where you can see Bamaga Road, the main road, intersects with the Old Telegraph Track here, so that's where we stayed. Today what we're going to do, we're going to go check out Elliot Twin Falls, which is here, then we're going to come back to this intersection, continue on Bamaga Road up to the Jardine Ferry, and then we're going to cross this river here. So once we get over there, we will reassess, and then from there you can see not too far to go to the top. Alright, so we're turning onto Bamaga Road here, and then straight away we're taking this right turn onto the Telegraph Track. We're going to continue on to Elliot Falls, so we'll see you there. We don't want to go that way, BadGaz, that drops off into the abyss, so we're going to go around this way.
Still into the water?
Not this water. think there's two waterfalls here, Elliot Falls and Twin Falls. We've made it to the boardwalk, so I'll give you a look. Nearly just did myself a mischief on this plank. To the next one. Yeah, BadGaz. Hi, snake alert through here. We love a bit of waterfall action, don't we, Gaz?
Sure do.
Back to the car. So we've just been to Fruitbat Falls again, which is our third trip in about 24 hours, our second trip today. When BadGaz gets back in, which is about to, we're going to hit the road again and do the 60k or so to the Jardine River crossing. Ready to roll, Gaz?
Sure am.
Got our washing line in the background doing plenty of work today. The washing line is bouncing around a little bit, but it should hold up. Clothes are going for a ride. That is awesome. How tough was that little unit, Gaz?
Pretty tough looking.
BadGaz and I have just made it to the Jardine River Ferry crossing. So we've just gone in here and bought a pass.
Got a booklet.
And we're about to jump back in the car and go across the river. The service station here just before the Jardine River crossing doesn't actually have any petrol or diesel at the moment, so luckily BadGaz and I have enough in the car. They do have rubbish bins here though, which is really good because we've been collecting rubbish for quite a while, so it's starting to get a bit stinky in the spare wheel bag on the back of the car there. There we go, Gaz. Off the ferry, back on the road. Can you please have this ticket, Gaz? I don't want to lose it. So we've just come off the Jardine River Ferry here, and we've got 41k to do to get to Bamaga, I believe. And then once we get there, we've only got a little bit further to go to get to the top of the country, Gaz.
Finally.
We're nearly there. How exciting.
Pretty exciting.
BadGaz and I just drove past the sign, but I didn't get to read it properly, so I'm just walking back to check it out. Here it is. There we go. How cool is that? First sign I've seen with the tip on it, 46k. So BadGaz and I have made it to Bamaga. We're about to pop into the supermarket and sort a few things out, so we might leave the video there for today, but we've only got 35k left.
Yep.
Until we're at the northernmost tip of the country. So very exciting, not too far to go. I'll let you close it up, Gaz.
That's it for today. See ya. Woo.
What do we got, Gaz?
Sausages, some soda water, tomato sauce.
A snack.
They're good.
Gaz, the snack expert.
Couldn't get the snacks I really wanted, but super duper.
Yes. Super duper reload. Chuck it in, Gaz. We got stopped by this tree, but check it out. Bit of wild horse action. What do you think, Gaz?
So cute.
G'day fellas, how we doing? What's going on? Do you guys know how we get to the campsite? No? What is this spot we've come across, Gaz?